batang 90s. Sailor Moon yung talagang pinaka-favorite character ko because aside from the very nice costume, I also like her character. Ayun. Tapos, isa po akong YouTuber dancer, kaya i-follow po ninyo ang aking Facebook page, Tess Consulta, ganun din po sa YouTube. So, I'm actually doing some cosplay dances, dance tutorials, and K-pop dances. Tapos, yung mga gusto pong mag-cosplay, go on. Cosplay is not actually exclusive to a certain age or gender. So kahit anong body structure nyo, edad at gender, pwedeng-pwede po kayong mag-cosplay.
Name ko po is si Kelsey and character ko po na kino-cosplay is si Nilo kasi ang pretty po niyang i-cosplay. Hi po, ako po si Ila and I am cosplaying as Kirara. And I'm cosplaying as Kirara kasi po I find her really cute.
My name is Erish Patas, cosplaying as Yula kasi po siya po yung favorite character ko po sa Genshin.
My name is Jay and yun lang po, Jay. C-H-E-Y, well naman po yun. Pinaportray ko po si Shinobu dahil one, wala po akong ibang cosplay. Two, she's one of my favorite characters in Demon Slayer. And number three or four, I lost count, pero basta po. It's also because I admire her a lot po. So, thank you po.
Hi, I'm Francesco Rafael General, also known as MJ. My character is Muzan Kibutsuji from Demon Slayer. And the reason I cosplay this is because this is a heroes event, and if there's heroes, there should be villains. So I am a villain this time. And my page is Miguel Jose Jackson. That is my cosplay page. And hopefully you can follow me on Facebook. That is my Facebook po.
Ako si Lance, and ang kino-cosplay ko po ngayon ay si Konig from Call of Duty. Since ngayon, araw ng kagitingan, naisip ko, hero ang iko-cosplay ko. Ang role ni Konig is to fight terrorists. You can join us naman sa pag-cosplay, and it's open for everyone. You don't need to be accurate naman always. Yun po.
Hello, my name is Yin.
Hi, my name is Herb.
We are one of the organizers ng Otaku League. So currently right now we're doing a Heroverse 2024 here at SM City Naga. The purpose of this event is to since this is the first cosplay event here this year, we are starting to encourage everyone to join us as we start the year with cosplay event up to upcoming events in the future.
Ngayon, since summer and most of the students are busy with their schoolworks, so it's good to see them attend these kinds of events, and possibly next time sila ay mag-join din and to try cosplay. Magastos ang cosplay but depende yun sa paano ka-creative.
Ano ka magiging resourceful about it?
So like this, suot ko, I'm portraying Aladdin from Maggie. Ako nagtahi lahat, and I also crafted this weapon, yung staff niya. So I cosplayed this because ina-idolize ko talaga yung niya, yung bravery and yung parang journey niya to find the king. Yung parang ginugurum niya nga in a good way and to save the kingdom.
Anyway, I am cosplaying Sailor Mars from Sailor Moon. Sailor Mars is one of my mom's favorite characters since she really like color red. She really wished me to cosplay this someday if ever in the future I was able to cosplay na. That's why I did this right now.
So yung mom mo ang may gusto nito.
Ah.
Personally, ano yung
Favorite character ko? Actually, my favorite character is Pluto kasi she has the character of being cool, mysterious, and every character I cosplay, yan yung lagi characteristic ng mga kina-cosplay ko. If ever kilala nyo ako, yung mga cosplays ko talaga is not into pa-cute. Like, lahat talaga siya mommy vibes, yeah.
Mommy vibes?
Yan lang po. Yeah. Yan. We have a page named The Otaku League. So, you can follow us on Facebook. We are event organizer of cosplay event, or sometimes we also organize different kinds of events if kaya namin. So, don't be scared to try new things. Oo, madaming paraan.
Bye.